it's Royale Roses, and today, this is not an important video, but I got a new wig. So I thought I would do a little unboxing video, and yeah, let's start, I guess. By the way, no idea how to open these things. I don't open wigs. Oh, it's really long. I thought it was going to be shorter, honestly, but don't mind at all. No. Okay, how do I open this thing? I might need, oh, shit. Oh, look at it. It's so majestic and beautiful. It's a MELANIE Martinez wig. For those who don't know, I am a MELANIE Martinez fan. Have I been a fan for a long time? No. Does it matter? No. It's so pretty. Oh, there's a paper here. Bruh, this is beautiful. I have not put it professionally on right now. I might have to cut the bangs because they have it too long. I'm pretty sure this is an adult wig also. Oh, but it's such soft. And where I bought this? I bought this from Wish, and it was really cheap. I know Wish is usually not the best place to buy things, but this is worth it. Like, this was really good, and it took quite some time to ship, like over a month, but the result is just beautiful. Oh my god. It's kind of like I'm in shock right now. But yeah, I'm gonna put this on and maybe cut the bangs and show you the results. So see you then. Okay, so I got it on properly now, and I really love it. I don't know, I might have to cut these. I don't know. Do they look good? I'm not a wig expert, so but like this wig, it's so cute. I'm not wearing merch right now. That's because I don't have any merch. You wanna know why? It's because I've ordered merch, but it's not coming. I actually ordered this wig after ordering the merch, so it's kind of weird that it came first. But yeah, so I mean, I guess it's due to the thing that's going on right now that shipping isn't going as quickly, but I understand. The literal like only merch I have is this poster in my room, or like. It's this thing. Yay, Melanie! So yeah, this wig looked good. I know I look nothing like MELANIE Martinez, but like the wig is kind of cute though. I can do some like cosplay stuff with it. I might do some of those on TikTok, so make sure to go check that out if you have TikTok. If you don't, well, okay. So. Well, I don't know what to do with this. It's just like, I mean, it's beautiful. Also, what do I do with this thing? I guess it's for like to put in the wig. This kind of looks like a cute hat. I'm gonna see if I can find an accessory that looks good with this. Yes, I have many wigs, but this one's kind of hard to put on. Maybe I'm gonna put like some hair clips just to get the bangs more to the side. Like that. I don't know what's better. Oh, I'm against the light now. Like this, maybe? I don't know. So, yeah. Yeah, short video. Yeah. So I find these cat ears, which look pretty good. I mean, they can work for the song. You're the copycat. I'm not gonna sing that song because I'm pretty sure that's copyrighted. So, yeah, that's all you're gonna hear. And then these bunny ears because I think our favorite animals is bunnies. I don't know. So, yeah. Maybe I just don't wear an accessory at all, but if you don't know, well, when the merch arrives, which I have no clue when it's gonna be, I'm probably gonna do an unboxing reveal type of video also on that. And if you don't know who MELANIE Martinez is, she is a singer slash actress. She made the movie K-12. Very famous. I think most of you know who it is, but some of you might not know who it is. She made that soap song. Just in case, I'm just gonna show a video of her. So yeah, video. Anyways, that was all for video, guys. If you liked it, hit that like button and subscribe. Follow me on other platforms and join my Roblox group, the Rose Fan Group. See you in the next video.